Hey guys, what's up? It's Dawson here from Redneck Wrenches, and pretty much I'm just going to do a quick little video showing you guys how I did a virtually free cold air intake on my 6.5 liter turbo diesel Suburban. Okay, so if you go up here, so this is your turbo. You got the thing, and then it goes right to the box. Pretty much what we did was we unbolted it from here. It's an 8mm wrench, and then you yank the clamp off. I pulled the whole air box off, took all the stuff out, so took the cover off of it, cleaned it out really good, blew this out with a air nozzle to make sure all the dirt and stuff was out of there. And then we put the bottom of the box in to help hold the air filter and stuff where it has to be. Then put the air filter back on and pretty much ran this straight. And I had an issue with mine where this was kind of crunched up, which is why we think it was acting weird and not spooling and doing all the stuff it was supposed to. And yeah, I'm not quite sure if this is gonna work. I will make an update video or maybe add a clip after this one to tell you guys if it made a difference in the way the turbo spools and if I can hear it and all that. But pretty much this is my free cold air intake. All you gotta do is take the cover off and clean it and expose the air filter to that much more air because it's not trapped inside the little box. Also, just a little tip on what I would do so your air filter don't fall out is we took a couple zip ties, wrapped around the box, and got it as tight as we could get it. So yeah, I'll send you guys, or I'll do a little 30-second acceleration clip here when I'm done. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Let's grow this channel, boys. I like working on shit and recording. It's fun too, so